In the hustle and bustle of Los Angeles life, finding the time to clean your home can feel like a never-ending challenge. Welcome to Brazilian Cleaning in LA, your solution for order and cleanliness. We specialize in deep cleaning and personal organization, transforming your living spaces. From the living room to the kitchen, we deliver highly detailed cleaning. Our service includes spotless corners and beautifully organized rooms, creating an environment of cleanliness and order. We customize our services to your needs. Visit our website or call us and take the first step towards the peace of mind that comes with a pristine home. Brazilian Cleaning in LA, we're here for you. We believe in more than just cleaning, we believe in creating a healthy, welcoming environment for you and your loved ones. Our service isn't just about appearing neat and tidy, it's about fostering a sense of peace and tranquility in your space. Are you overwhelmed by clutter, struggling to find the time or energy to clean? Don't worry. We're here to take care of everything for you. Our dedicated and passionate team of cleaning professionals are trained to handle all types of jobs, big or small, with utmost care and precision. We pride ourselves on using environmentally friendly cleaning products that not only clean but also protect your home and the planet. We understand that every home is unique and so are its cleaning needs. That's why we tailor our services to meet your individual requirements. Whether it's a quick spruce up or a comprehensive deep clean, we approach each task with the same level of dedication and attention to detail. We want you to focus on what's truly important, living your life to the fullest, spending quality time with family and friends, or simply enjoying a peaceful moment in an immaculately clean home. All this without you having to lift a finger. So if you're in Los Angeles and find yourself in a bit of a mess, remember, Brazilian Cleaning in LA is here for you. If you make a mess, we can help you.